What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to search for bold text in a Microsoft Word document. Maybe hard to tell with dark mode, but I've bolded this portion right here, and then this portion right here, and then there's this one right here as well. So how to be able to search for this easily, what we're going to want to do is to go to the Home tab up here in the top left, and click on, or don't click on Find, just look for it, look for the magnifying glass, then click on the drop down, and then click on Advanced Find. So you'll probably see something like this right off the bat, where you're going to want to click on more. We won't see the font color, that's just from a previous video. So what you're going to want to actually click on is the format drop down right here under find. So click on that and click on font. And right here under font style is what we want. So we want to look for bold. And you can also do bold, italic. You can play with this, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to do bold. Click OK, and now I can do find next. So as you can see, let's do from the start, and it'll find this one is bold up here, that's bold, what I showed you earlier was bold, and then down here and down here, and then it's probably done. We finished searching the document. So if you want to replace the bold text with something else, like let's say you want to replace it with italic, you can use the replace tool and do this. So for example, let's give the find tool a format of bold again, and then let's give the replace tool, let's make it replace it with italics. So we'll do replace font, then we'll do italic, click OK. And now we can do replace next, and you'll see it adds the italic thing to it. Replace does it one at a time, but it doesn't remove bold, it just adds italic to it. And then we can just do replace all, and it'll change all bolded text to also have italic as well. So let's say you add styles to all the bolded text, do a little bonus for you, but that is how you do it in Microsoft Word. Search for all bold text. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.